my little angels. Hope you all are fine, enjoying your online classes. Little learners, take out your countdown book and open page 8. Hurry up, take it out easily. Yes, now open page 8. Well, keep your colors in front of you and take any one of your favorite. Well, yesterday we have done the topic of whole and half. Can you see the circles? Yes, you can see the whole circles and the half circles. Now what you have to do over here? You have to color the whole circles, half circles, and all the empty spaces you see over here of your own choice. Do very neat color, do calmly, and enjoy while doing this activity. I will do a little bit for you. These are the pizza toppings. You might do one color, you might do so many colors. It's up to you how much colorful you want to make your pizza. And in this way, you have to color the toppings of the pizza. Well, best of luck. Try to do it independently, neatly. Best of luck. Thank you so much.